You wait there. Yeah, g'day and welcome to this instructional video on how to teach a toddler to scoot. Now today is Nala's first time. She's 2 years, 2 months old. Now the problem a lot of people make is they get these like 2-wheel ones and they don't have great balance for teaching a kid. So you want to get the ones, you know, with 2 wheels at the front, 1 wheel at the back, especially when it's a kid's first time. And safety first, always make sure. Did you just scoot?
Yeah.
But cool, we'll just skip the next steps. She's picked it up and we'll just go to the toddler scooting montage. She was a scooter girl, she said see you later girl. You can keep going, I'm just doing the background music. They see me scooting, they scooted, scooting, and she's dancing on the scooting, 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 scooting. Scooting, scooting. Alright, turn around, come back. Go now! Scooting, 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 scooting. What? Scooting, 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 scooting. Yeah, and that was how to teach a toddler to scoot. She's okay, it's soft grass. And no toddlers were harmed in the making of this video. Woohoo! Then make sure you subscribe up here or watch another one up there. You doing more scooting or? Alright, helmet on.